Go Seawee! Oh, I forgot. You don't want videos of, like, your head. Shh!
There's that one thing coming down 4
No!
balls. And that was Kira Stevenson and the Targa. 21.5, and that is their total score. Drove the championships, and they will move into first place. Ball so far. Only one rider. He has to go in this final round, having an absolute team performance. Next on the order goes is walking into the ring.
Good job, Serenity.
With Lord Norman of Lucky Kid Farm. Near the attendance to Roman High School.
Hey, he came back really well just then. It's up.
So Haley and Touch of Luck coming back with 15 balls total.
Hooverphonic Odeveld is clear. Serenity Phillips electing to stay in.